The situation at the Zaporizhzhia Nuclear Plant has just escalated. Russian forces have begun deploying so-called kamikaze drones over the nuclear reactors of the nuclear plant. This footage shows a world teetering on the brink of a nuclear disaster. In March 2022, the Zaporizhzhia nuclear power plant was seized by Russia. The past 3 weeks have seen the plant under a barrage of drone attacks. The head of the International Atomic Energy Agency, Rafael Mariano Grossi, issued a stark warning saying, "We are getting dangerously close to a nuclear accident." According to Ukraine intelligence, Russian forces have established launch sites for their drones, adjacent to the plant's 6th reactor. The implication here is clear. There is a significant threat of a nuclear meltdown, a catastrophe that would serve Russia's objective of establishing a safety zone from the West. As it says in Jeremiah, "Many shepherds will ruin my vineyard and trample down my field. They will turn my pleasant field into a desolate wasteland. It will be made a wasteland, parched and desolate before me. The whole land will be laid waste, because there is no one who cares." Jeremiah chapter 12, verse 10.